to another exciting roller game with your world-famous world champion Los Angeles Thunderbirds. And today, the T-Birds take on the terrors of the league, the Detroit Devil team. We had an excellent first half, and it looks like the second half is going to be just as exciting. And the score before we start our second half, 36-35 in favor of the Detroit Devils.
Well, I tell you, Elmer, you and everyone that's been here, I tell you what really impressed me tonight is the performance of these two fine young skaters. That's Patsy Delgado, cute gal. She scored 8 points the first half, and young David Valenzuela scoring 6. Outdid all the Detroit squares, and they are something else. I'll tell you, what these kids are going to do in the future, I'll never know. Ralphie Valadares and John Hall have to be extremely proud of these kids. They continue to shine, and they've vindicated everything that they've said about the youngsters. Bring them along slowly, and they'll do a great job for you. Great job for you, Elmer.
Well, that's the good news. And now for the bad news. El Fabuloso, he's been stalking around here all night long, keeping a very watchful eye on Terry Toledo. And no wonder, because right here, next Saturday night at the Olympic Auditorium, El Fabuloso and Terry Toledo have their rematch. That's right. And now it's up to Terry Toledo to earn herself a spot back as a referee if she wins. If she loses, she hangs up her skates and that's it. Now remember, Terry Toledo joined the T-Bird team on a temporary basis only. After her match race with El Fabuloso, we call it the unfair match race 7 weeks ago. So this is the last game for Terry Toledo in a T-Bird uniform, and we hope the next time we see Terry Toledo, she'll be wearing her referee's uniform. Well, I see it's time to get started with our second half. We're going to rejoin our network stations, and then we're coming right back.
He is gone right now. He has no legs at all. And 10 seconds to go in a round there. The left hand, he's down again. It's over. It's all over.
You're watching Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
Fight back. This is your opportunity to call the shots. What's the best fight you've ever seen? Or what's the best fight you've never seen but always wanted to? Classic Sports has the largest fight library in the world and wants you in our corner. This is your opportunity to let us know what boxing memories you want to see. Send your entry to Classic Sports Fight Memories, Murray Hill Station, P.O. Box 1830, New York, New York, 10156. If we broadcast your memory, we'll send you a Classic Sports t-shirt. Classic Sports, where the legends fight.
Celebrities here. Here's an old pal of ours, Aldo Ray. Remember him as the sergeant in the Green Beret? Well, he's been a star in about 80 movies ever since then in his career. Nice to have him down here. We got everybody coming here to the roller games. Why don't you too? Why don't you join us?
I'll tell you, this has been something else here. The score 35-36. The Devils out in front by 1. And when you see Aldo Ray, you think of those great movies, Battle Cry, God's Little Acres, just to name a few. He likes the Thunderbirds. When there's celebrities down there every Saturday night seeing the action. And look at this gal. She's ripped right over the top. With plenty of time remaining here in the fifth skating period. She squeezes right underneath. Between her legs to the police office for 1. Thunderbird point, and they tie it up with 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Well, if the action looks hot and heavy, you see a lot of blocking out there. The rules basically, and Aldo Ray with his fine beauties here. We're talking to Terry Toledo, Patsy Delgado. Everybody's down here enjoying themselves, and our curly-haired referee, Don Lasper's having his trouble with little, very petite, demure, beautiful Colleen Murrell and big Rita Straska. Aldo Ray has certainly seen action in his day. He's been in about every war movie there's ever made, but brother, is he seeing action tonight? You too will enjoy it. You know, the rules are very simple here. If you're back home now, no matter where along our network, you're watching the game and you wonder, hey, how do they score? Very simple. Keep your eye on one of the 2 skaters that wear a helmet. See him there at the rear of the pack? Well, when the referee blows the whistle like he did, they have, when they break away from the pack, They have 60 seconds to circle the track and pass a member of the opposite team. And when they do, they pick up 1 point for every member of the opposite team they pass in 60 seconds. More about that, watch the defense when we reach the rear of the pack. This gal here for the Detroit Devils.
All right, this number 26 has Terry Drinkard. Terry Drinkard, a fine young skater from the Detroit team. He's belted hard in there by Woody Miller. In the meantime, coming up behind her is Deborah Holden, one of the fine competitors on the Thunderbird team, but Jassie Jenny drops her one of the 3 tons, the original 3 tons of this Detroit team. The other one you see right there, look out, over the side, that was Sherry Jackson filling her hard over there. And they say 1 point.
Hey, we got the West Los Angeles Gophers, Charlie and Gina Canoy of Continental Airlines. They brought down a great big group here. Nice to see them. Charlie and Gina Canoy, and they're from Continental Airlines, but they brought the West Los Angeles Gophers here. Hey, welcome, Charlie and Gina. Hope you're having a nice time. You too can enjoy the roller games, and I'll tell you why. Marie Anderson here of Paramount General Hospital brought the entire admitting staff over here. So why don't you do the same thing these other people do? Bring a great big group down. Call Mario Thomas at our phone number here at the Olympic Auditorium. Get them down here. All sizes and shapes are here tonight.
Well, I tell you what, I hope Sudalapa goes for some points right now. Please go for a point. Okay, let's see what you can do. 6:43 remaining. Sudalapa belted down hard by Jassie Jenny. And it's rather ironic when I see Jassie Jenny out there. She really thinks she's something else. Real cool, she says, real cool. All right, it's 37 to 37 with 6:47 remaining on the clock. Oh, look at Woody Miller. Woody Miller belts her in a hurry. Belts her again hard. And she's trying to get through there, Jassie Jenny. 6 minutes, 15 seconds. Oh, she kicked her hard. Shot by Terry Toledo. And grabbed Jennifer Richards. Ricardo Gilari. Holy moly, Malawi knocks her down. Ricardo went out of there. As they pick up 2 points. And I tell you, when I see this, it reminds me about Terry Toledo and Pelham, Elmer.
Well, I tell you, Saturday night is going to be where the building will rock and roll and rattle and shake because Terry Toledo gets her rematch with El Fabuloso. And it's Saturday night, and there she is. Terry Toledo has waited. She's been biding her time wearing a T-Bird uniform on a temporary basis. But now, Saturday night, she gets her chance against the big fatso, El Fabuloso. And if she wins, she gets a chance to return to her first love. She said that's refereeing. And if she loses, she's going to hang them up. So, whoever you're for, you're going to see action like you've never seen before. Incidentally, 5 laps and it goes.
All right, it's big Sherry Jackson, and she just gets passed in a hurry in there by Deborah Heldon. Heldon is really cooking here tonight. Deborah Heldon wearing the colors of Thunderbirds, white, gold, and green, number 1. And number 25, and wheeling and dealing, Sherry Jackson. Right to the rail, and she lost her balance. Now we got Lori White, number 27, of the Police Princess. I call her the police sausage, number 21. She's the bigger gal on the inside. The taller gal on the high part of the track, and they're blocking out the tall one, the lean one, Deborah Heldon. Heldon needs some help. She's got Terry Toledo back there. Terry Toledo, she's got to be working hard tonight, getting ready for the big match race with none other than El Fabuloso. And I think Terry will be ready. And look at the action here as she does it to him. And they pick up 2 Thunderbird points.
Well, I tell you, the composite of Americana is right here at every roller game. Whether you're young, like that little guy, all ages. We call them fun people. Why don't you join it with us? We've got a great family group here. Kids, teenagers, young married, senior citizens, and there's El Fabuloso. And he is going to have what he thinks is got an easy time of it with Terry Toledo Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium. The last time, well, that was 7 weeks ago. They had a very unfair match race. And I often wondered why he has to resort to something unfair. When look at the size of that man, he could beat anybody that's living today, I think, just using his size and strength. Why do it unfairly? I'll never figure it out.
I'll tell you one thing, Terry Toledo, she can skate better. That is definitely for sure. And that may be beneficial for her as the score's knotted up at 39 apiece with with 3:25 remaining. Winnie Miller goes through again with flower in her hair and going at it. She pulls her down the hard. And look at her, rock'em sock'em action. The fans love it. They're cheering her on. She pulls her down again. Almost losing balance. Goes through again. And no leaping leader. She turns around, misses. And wow! Look at her go. Oh my. Winnie Miller. She just carried them up. Let's put them all up there. And another gal trying to get up and she rock'em sock'em action.
Well, we talk about a sport that has no differentiation. Now, we saw a few jams ago, little Skinny Minnie Miller, go T-Birds forever. Well, that's the way it's going to be. Talking about little Skinny Minnie Miller.
Well, I'll tell you, Elmer, you can find out about plenty of action here at the Olympic Auditorium. All you got to do is call down here, Richmond 9517. You can find out any information you want to know anytime. And that's got to be, if not the most famous phone number in the whole United States, not just Los Angeles, Richmond, 95171. And I tell you, we get cards and letters. Well, I got a letter from a little girl, Debbie Sutherland, from Hermosa Beach. And Debbie tells me she's got a picture of Fabuloso, and she sent me a picture of a skunk. You believe that? She's 7 years old. She's a cutie. All right, here goes Colleen Morrell. And she moves out of there. And number 25 up in front is Sherry Jackson. Belts her out of there. Well, 150 remaining. Still knotted up at 39 apiece here. Big game as Colleen goes over the side. And this gal trying to work her way through the pack. Number 22. That's Tammy Locke. And Colleen trying to get at her. She gets by her, almost loses balance. And back again. Oh, look at Terry Toledo. And I'll tell you, Elmer, Terry Toledo will be tough.
Well, I know that she's going to use all that strength she's got Saturday night in her match race with El Fabuloso. She's starting to sharpen up right now. She went right out there. And, you know, little Terry, she's short, squat, and let me say, every inch is muscle. She's going to need it, I think, because I'm quite concerned that El Fabuloso, if he just falls on her, she's had it. But it's going to be more than experience that's going to be judged the winner of next Saturday night's match race here at the Olympic Auditorium. Fabuloso at 305 pounds. Yeah, what does Terry go? 130, 35? I don't know. I think it's a mismatch of the year.
All right, you got 51 seconds remaining here. Twin Miller. They call her Skinny Minnie. I don't know if she likes it or not, but she is one fine skater. She's got all the Thunderbird spirit, everything you want to know. Winnie Miller. She loves to sign autographs. She loves the people. And what a skater. Oh, me, oh, my. 35 seconds remaining as she leaps over Jeff. Goody. Oh, goes by Rita Kreska. Up to Patty Locke. Didn't even see her. Went all by her. 25 seconds remaining. She wants more. Can she get more? Winnie Miller. She'd like to score from Mondo and Mondo Jr. Del Real and Pico Rivera. They're fans of hers. Can she? Oh, yeah. She goes right underneath. And the two clapping up at first take. Uh-oh! With 8 seconds remaining. She scores. And she scores big. She scores 7 Thunderbird points.
It looks like jubilation is reigning supreme here. The skaters, the fans, everybody gets into it here. This is the fun place to be. When somebody does something good, the fans are the first to let them know about it. Well, here's a period is over. I see. We're going to join our network stations, and then we're coming back right away with a lot of action.
Happy Thanksgiving from Classic Sports Network.
What would you pay to look like $1 million?
Time Life presents The Firm, the exercise videos that are making firm believers out of people.
I have shape and definition in my waist, and my butt looks like a 19-year-old after 3 kids.
Other tapes are a waste of money. The only tapes that work on the market today are the Firm tapes.
Aerobics will burn fat, but the combination of weights and aerobics can burn 3 times more fat. Only The Firm combines weights with aerobics in every exercise. The Firm guarantees visible results in 10 sessions.
They said, give us 10 tries and we'll make a difference. It really did. Immediately I started seeing results.
Call now for Volume 1 of The Firm for just $9.99 and get the 20 questions about fitness video free. Every few weeks, receive a new Firm video, so call now.
It's a whole new body. The Firm tapes give you a whole new body.
To order the firm and receive your free 20 questions about fitness video, call 1-800-839-4433 or send $9.99 plus $3.49 shipping and handling to the firm, P.O. Box 910, Department 44, Gardnerville, Nevada 89410.
Get opinions.
I always thought I was the best. You know, from day one, I thought I was the best.
Get controversy.
I think this sport has become commercialized, maybe too commercialized.
Get personal.
You know, the biggest mistake I ever made in my career was getting involved in drugs, and I'm not ashamed of that. You can build your inner strength from it and be a far better man than you were before.
Get to your TV for the original one-on-one interview, Distant Replay, Thursday night at 7 Eastern, only on Classic Sports Network.
The score 46-44, but a very tight game. The T-Birds have a lead. And who they like to get out is number 7. He's been doing one whale of a job. That's young David Valenzuela. You heard us already say he picked up 6 points in the first half of action. Doing a great job. And I'll tell you, John and Rolfe, you're real proud of this young man. But right now he's having trouble with the veteran skater number 23. That's E.J. Miller. And here comes David. David goes back out. He's working on it now. Big marks him out of there. David Valenzuela. And he trained out there at Pico Rivera. That's right where the Del Reals live. And Pico Rivera. A fine-looking young man. He can be a movie actor, but he likes to skate. A good one. He gets to learn how to put that helmet on, but he's got to get by these 2 tough cookies. E.G. Miller, NBC Corbin. Can he get by him? Well, he's got help now. He's got one of the best. And he gets right up there with Ronnie Reigns, gives him a whip. And look out, he calls it off. He's satisfied with 2 Thunderbird boys.
Hey, we got celebrities. Oh, have we ever got him? And I'm very happy to see an old friend of ours, Mickey McNeil, the popular musician and TV personality. Used to be, I think, the summer Three Dog Night. And what do we got here? Everybody is going over the rail. That's E.G. Miller. He just got a power from one of the upcoming fast-rising skater stars, Danny Valenzuela. Boy, did John Hall and Ralphie Valadares get a winner. Hey, there he is, Mickey McNeil. He's a very popular musician, TV personality. He used to play the drums. He used to play the drums with the Three Dog Night. He was the star of Captain Cool and the Kongs. Well, he's here trackside enjoying himself, and I mean enjoying himself.
Elmer, I tell you, the 2 gals to the right there was Elaine Lembeck from Welcome Back Carter. Maybe we'll get another chance to get a shot at her. Elaine Lembeck, she's really a pretty gal. You see her in Welcome Back Carter all the time. And Mickey McNeil, something else. From Captain Cool to the Kongs, he used to be a 3 Dog Night. There's celebrities here. The Olympic Auditorium just loaded with them every Saturday night. And I tell you, she's something else. Elaine Lembeck, Welcome Back Carter, good-looking gal. And Frankie Macedo, he'd like to pick up some points. He's got plenty of fans. Frankie Macedo, they're here to watch him. Frankie Macedo on the inside. Big Dallas Everett. A big man. And another man comes by and hits him in the meantime. Macedo, he's on the rail with Dallas Everett. He'd like to pick up some points. Mr. Ty Forrest, he hails from Pasadena. A big man, Ty Forrest. He's going to bring a big gang out here, maybe 20 or more. They'll be calling a man, Mario, the box office. He'd like to come out and watch the likes of these teams. With all the action coming up, the big match race coming up Saturday night. And what's he going to do? He just busts on through. He busts on through 2 more. Oh, Bill Nye, strong skater. Up to Macedo, but Macedo cut him up far. He may wheel, he may deal, he's down. But he scores 4 big points.
One of the reasons we really admire Mickey McNeil, you know, not only for his musical ability and TV work, but the fact that he's a member of the Right Track organization, and it's an organization that's composed of movie and TV celebrities, and they are all dedicated to combating delinquency and drug abuse amongst juveniles. Their slogan is, and get this, drugs are for turkeys. And we're really proud of the work that Right Track does and all of the members of the Right Track team. So good luck to you, Mickey McNeil and all your gang.
Well, I'll tell you, there's no turkeys on the track right now, that's for sure. You couldn't handle that and handle these skates in this fast action. That's right. These are fine-tuned athletes out here, Elmer. Some a little better than others, that's for sure, but they work and they work hard. And these Thunderbirds are showing them and bringing it to them here tonight. But right now, the score's all knotted up with 48 apiece. There's 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Here comes Ronnie Psycho Ray. And look out, Billy Marshall sees it now. The Psycho coming up to him with the Michael Ray's. He hails from Glendale, California. He gets letters, so many letters, they're going to bring 3, 4, 5 mail bags for him. Got a fine letter from a young man, Alan Hamburger from Glendale, another fine fan of his, Ronnie Raines. They love him. The fans all of them, look at him. He makes these moves. They look so easy, you don't even realize he's doing them. And he's going against a great one in Larry Lewis. The two of them, look at him, lift him, right him off the ground, right in front of Mickey McNeil in the lane left back. In the meantime, the Bigfoot comes over, he grabs him, trying to hold him by the neck. You know, Psycho, he's getting him all around the neck, and he's over the rail, and here comes Danny Riley. Riley comes over the track. Riley beats on him. Here comes Riley. He comes up on the track, he's about to lose his pants. And Danny Riley going right. He grabs his pants. He wants to make that Bigfoot. He's the one that caused him all the trouble, Elmer.
Well, Danny Riley's one guy who can never take care of Bigfoot. I'd like to see those two tangle. Bigfoot may be 6'8" on skates, but Danny Riley is a good 6 foot, 250 pounds. Take a look at Danny Riley. Remember him about 14 years ago? Skinny, gawky little kid. One of the mainstays. He's still on suspension, you know, because he went in there and tore that whole team apart. He got suspended thanks to El Fabuloso's sneaky ways. Hey, we got a timeout here. While the timeout, we're going to join the network, and we're coming right back with a lot of action.
The way to get the message across the ball carrier is to hit him, lift him up, and put him on his back. I want to just let them know that they've been hit. And when they get up, they don't have to look to see who was that hit them.
Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
What's your favorite sports memory? Is it Reggie's 3 homers in Game 6? Or Michael's 6 3-pointers in Game 1? Or maybe it was the time you and your dad had the best seats in the house. We want to hear your favorite sports memory and maybe put it on the air. Classic Sports Network invites you to send us your favorite memory. Whether it was a moment seen round the world or one that only you know about. Write it down on a postcard. Mail it in, and if we tell your story, you get star billing and a Classic Sports logo t-shirt. Send your favorite memory to Favorite Sports Memories, Classic Sports Network, Murray Hill Station, P.O. Box 1830, New York, New York, 10156. Because if it meant something to you, it means something to us.
Right behind him, Larry Lewis. And Larry Lewis, he wants to get on the right track. You better believe it. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 48 to 48. Look at him. Oh, he pulls him down hard. And Larry Lewis looks over. And he says, I'm taking care of you kids. Don't mess with me. And Larry Lewis with those beady eyes. He's got to be one of the best. Larry Lewis hits off back with his fists and arms swinging. Takes a shot at one time. But beware, John. He moves it in. Oh, look at that. I told you, Elmer, look at this guy. Elmer, can you describe this action?
I certainly can, because he's displaying right now some mobility that's unbelievable. 4 big points for Larry Lewis. 4 great big points for Larry Lewis. He certainly deserves it. He's a hard man to stop, and Ronnie Raines or anybody else will have one awful time to try to do that. Anyway, a lot of fans want information about what's going on anytime, anywhere. Ronnie Raines now working on Dallas Foster, correction, Dallas Everett. Always gets the last laugh. The fans love it. If you want any information about it, take a look at a little laughter. That goes a long way. And when you, your family, friends come on down, you'll be sitting right amongst a lot of fine people. Be you a senior citizen, a youngster, young married, well, the Olympic Auditorium, just on the outskirts of downtown L.A., well lit, large parking lot, comfortable seats, everything made for your convenience to have fun. Family fun. That's what we're here for. But anyway, you want T-Bird information, all you got to do is write T-Birds, Box 3330, Hollywood, California, 90028.
I know, Elmer, you've been coming down here for a long, long time, and I've been coming down here 15, 20 years myself. It's a great place, the Olympic Auditorium. 48 for the Thunderbirds and 52 for the Detroit Devils. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining here in this 6th skating period. And a good game. Oh, look out. B.C. Corbin landed on his backside. And that's right down hard. Oh, and Frankie Mosquito was landed down hard by the big big man, Big Dallas Everett. Everett with a big red headband. The colors, the red, the white, and the black. The Detroit Devil. Here comes John Hall to assist Frank Illucito. Good, here comes Hall. He leapfrogs. Silver, I tell you, he went flying over the top. Oh, feel my. Here comes Casino, and he scores how many? 2. Thunderbird boys, 50 to 52. Devils out in trouble, 1:39 remaining.
Well, anyway, the T-Birds are pulling the plug here, but pulling the plug is Ronnie Raines and Curly Lastra here having a little to-do. But talking about action next Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium, our favorite gal, Terry Toledo, and our big fat guy, El Fabuloso, are getting their rematch. Or I should say Terry's getting her rematch next Saturday night. Now remember this, if Terry wins, she certainly has earned the right to go back to what she says told me before the game, her first love of referees. If she loses, she said she's going to hang them up and just plain get lost. Actually, tonight, we'll be witnessing the fact that she's in her T-Bird uniform for the last time because she's only with them on a temporary basis. We all knew that after her very unfair match race, well, 7 weeks ago.
Well, there's the girls talking over with 44 seconds remaining, 50 to 52 in favor of the Devils. A 2-point lead. Here comes the Psycho. He's had one heck of a night here, along with David Valenzuela. They've been carrying the load here to this team tonight with 33 seconds remaining. E.G. Miller. Oh! John Hall, he reached down the face to grab the foot, knocked him out with the whole side. And let's see what the Duke can do. He's got Ronnie Psycho ring. He's got John Hall with 42 seconds remaining. The crowd, an enormous crowd here tonight. They're going wild. They're cheering the Thunderbirds on as usual. 15 seconds remaining. Can they get the point? Can they tie them? Can they go ahead here at the end of the 6th skating period? Look at this lady. She's happy. 7 seconds remaining. She's got confidence in this man, Ronnie Psycho Hayes. He runs over, and he scores 5 Grand Slam Thunderbird boys.
Well, the period is over, and Ronnie Raines right now is getting the accolades and cheers from the jam-packed Olympic Auditorium. What a favorite. Well, he gives you something to really hang on to. The period is over. The girls are going to take the track for their last skating period. So we're going to run around our network and say hello to everybody. Now we're coming right back with more action. Look at Ronnie Raines.
And there it goes! What is on it?
Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
What lower round draft pick just might stun the NBA by becoming his team's leading rebounder this year? The Sporting News knows. Do you? What hot goalie will dominate NHL offenses to power his team to a great season? The Sporting News knows. Do you? What surprising rookie sensation could send his team soaring into the Super Bowl? The Sporting News knows, and you can too when you call now to claim your no-cost 4-issue Sporting News mini subscription. Plus, reserve these great sports binoculars free. When it comes to the NFL, NBA, Major League Baseball, and the NHL, nobody keeps you in the know quite like the Sporting News. What GM's blockbuster trades will turn his pretenders into pennant contenders next season? The Sporting News knows, and now you will too. Call now for your no-cost 4-issue Sporting News mini subscription. If you like it, get 24 more issues, 28 in all, for 4 easy payments of just $4.99. Plus, get these great binoculars free with your paid subscription. Call now.
You're watching Classic Sports Network. Once-in-a-lifetime moments, 24 hours a day.
Well, we got a battle going to the starting blocks right here. With the 7th skating period coming up, we got a battle between E.G. Miller, Juanita Ricardo, Larry Lewis. Now the fans are all going at it here. I don't know what started all, but we got a Donnybrook going. In the meantime, Juanita Ricardo gets ripped down to the infield. It's been some kind of game here. The action's hot and heavy. And a lot of tempers are flying, Elmer, because I know a lot of them are quite worried about what's possibly, going to be the biggest match race in the life of Terry Toledo Saturday night against El Fabuloso.
To say it's the biggest match race is putting it very mildly. Right now, let's watch this big gal go in here as she moves up to the helmet. That's the way to figure out how the score is made. That was the leading jammer that went down. Right now, the T-Bird gal wearing number 3, Patsy Delgado, the up-and-coming young super skating star. Where John Hall and Valadares find these youngsters But it's amazing. Every coach, manager, and owner likes to find their secret. Look at his Patsy now. And she somehow or other is going to get a penalty.
He was pulling Elmer, and they called a penalty out of the referee, Tom Rafferty. And I tell you, you've heard many times that the fans are getting excited here, but they're taking away our points, as they rightly should. They're taking away our scoring points. You know, many times, Elmer, you've heard of the girl being a good-looking gal, but a terrible actress in the movie industry. Well, here's a gal that's also very, very good-looking, but an excellent skater. She's got all the tools, all the equipment, and she trains hard at John Hall, right there along with Ralph DeVella there south of Pico Rivera, their training school, and worked very hard and diligently with this girl. And look at the king here, Bigfoot, and they got that on top of his head. They ought to put it on his foot, Elmer.
Well, I don't know if you can ever find a crown big enough to figure that big head there, but anyway, that's the biggest man in a uniform today or has ever been. Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. Well, they say they can put it just about anywhere in this guy. He's something else. 55 to 52 to score. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Here they come. Oh, me, oh, my. 8 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Juanita Ricardo. Can she score? We'll find out here. I tell you, she's got many, many fans, and one of us, Mike Winkler. Mike Winkler, and he hails from La Crescenta. Mike Winkler, he's a fan of Juanita Ricardo. She's got him everywhere. She gets plenty of cards and letters, and I'll tell you, Elmer and I like to get them, so send them to us. And Lori Weichel, in the meantime, she shoots right on through. Oh, look at her go. Lori Weichel with grab by Coley Morrell. She spins her around, and the Donnie Brooks, and they're going everywhere, Elmer.
Well, anyway, we can figure it out here. We're going to try and tell you how the points are being scored. There's players all over the place, and this is where it's confusing. However, it is very, very simple. The referee is counting off the 60 seconds. The 60 seconds are over, and we're going to get a signal for Detroit Devil points on that play. And right now,
look at these two. I don't know what the heck they're doing down there, except one of them just beating the tar of another one. It looked like, well, I don't know what you want to call it. In the meantime, we got action. They got to get that back for them. If people want to see plenty of action, they get it here every Saturday night. And all the freeways meet here. All of them meet here. And I tell you, Elmer, tell them a little about it.
All right, you know, for T-Bird information, you want to schedule games, whatever you want to know. Whatever you want to know, why don't you call T-Bird headquarters? That's what you're listening to. That's where we're broadcasting from, the Olympic Auditorium, the most famous phone number, I believe, in the whole local Los Angeles surrounding area. Richmond 95171. We've had that number as far as I can remember, 30-some years.
That's right, Richmond 9517. As I started to tell you, all the freeways lead here. Freeway close, and it's really nice down here at the Olympic Auditorium. I've enjoyed it for many, many years. And as Elmer told you, it's finely lighted, nice in here, and the people really enjoy themselves. And I tell you, all ages are here. From the little tykes on to the grown-ups, and they enjoy it. You better believe it. All right, we got number 27 moving out. That's Lori Weichel. Weichel, a good skater. But I tell you, this entire team, Elmer, is a big team. Strong team, only one gal, small gal, that's Tammy Locke. The rest of them all large-sized gals, big gals, strong gals, pretty good-looking gals. And Jazzy Jenny, she says she's Mrs. Cool. Miss Cool. Well, she breaks them up, goes by Terry Toledo. And Toledo, she seems to be so far tonight as her match, her mind in the big match race, and that's all she's thinking about. She better get her mind going right here with this game, because this is what's in hand right now. And next week, Saturday night, she can worry about El Fabuloso. But right now, they better worry about, like this gal's doing, Winnie Miller. She's stopping her, pulled her down, and who's that in the middle of that pack? Deborah Helden, it looks like. In the meantime, held it up, and she's still down as they pick up 7 big points with 5:13 remaining.
Hey, look at that big, lovely, tall Debbie Heldren from Philadelphia. Hey, we got leave it to Jim McInerney to dig up some celebrities. He's going to be talking to our very good friend, Mickey McNeil and friend. Go ahead, Jim.
I have Helene Lambeck here with me. She is Judy from Welcome Back, Kotter. Also, Magic Mongo.
I'm Lorraine on Magic Mongo, which is part of the Crop Super Show.
Okay. And also the ex-drummer of the Three Dogs Night. He's also the turkey on the Crop Super Show. And you got a movie coming out. What's the name of it?
It's called Hanging on a Star, and it's Deborah Rappin's in it and Wolfman Jack also.
listen, I want to know about right track. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Well, yes, I can, as a matter of fact, but I thought since Mickey has a larger mouth, I'd let him do it.
A larger what?
Mouth.
All right, well, what we'll do is, since you're built better than I, we'll put this up here.
Right track. Tell us about it. What is it?
Right Track basically is a program, and the goal is for kids to realize that drugs are for jive turkeys, which is the other side. We go around to different schools and we talk to kids and inform them about drugs. I don't do drugs. Helene doesn't do drugs. And I know none of the T-Birds do drugs, which is my favorite team, by the way.
Very good.
And it's incredible, the situation with the Right Track. And it's
well, we thank you very much for coming down. Right back to Elmer Anderson, Dick Holloway.
Well, I tell you, stay with 2 fine people like that, Elaine Limbeck from Welcome Back Carter, Mickey McNeil. They're fine people. They say drugs are for jive turkeys, Right Track. You better believe it. And like they say, the Thunderbirds, there's something else. And this fine VIP video crew, they say, let's salute the fine Right Track people. Okay, 55 for the Thunderbirds and 63 for the Devils. And Elmer, take it over for a minute here.
Well, here we go. Take a look here at this action. This is what you're going to see when you come to a roller game. Hey, this is Miss Excitement. Little skinny Minnie Miller. Her ambition in life is to get to be 100 pounds.
Okay, it's Winnie Miller. And after little Tammy Locke. She's even smaller than she is in size. Wait, she points up there. Oh, she turned her head for a minute. He felt her, but she goes right up by her there. She says you'll pay for that. And she did. She went down hard. In the meantime, it's Winnie Miller. Can't see goodbye Jancy Jenny. Can't see goodbye Sherry Jackson. The likes of Rita Straska. And big gal, Lori Weichel. In the meantime, she's trying to get up. Can she get through there or not? With 2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. 55 to 63 the score. She's been belted out of there. And I tell you, Elmer, it doesn't look like she's going to go anywhere this time as they continue to work and cook and cook and cook on her. And now where they going? Oh, look out in the corner of that penalty box.
Well, and how to rock it and sock them here in that particular play, and that's exactly what's going to happen. Hey, Wendell Fabuloso, look at him. 305 pounds. He's waddling out there, but he's as strong as the proverbial
bull. Watch out, Terry. Watch out. She doesn't see him, Elmer. Look out. Look out. Look at her. Look at him hit that gal. Elmer, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Well, that's the type of vicious guy he is. He had a match race and won it by unfair tactics. I don't know why. As big as he is, and he's a good skater. Unfair tactics. And thanks to the fine police training of our referee there, Curly Lassner from the Manhattan Beach Police Department, and also our trainer, Frank Fraser. Boy, we're well covered with security around here, but their training comes in handy. Terry Toledo being talked to by John Hall.
Elmer, I tell you, Terry, it looks to me like she's going to have a tough time with this El Fabuloso Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium, and she's very confident. She says her skating ability will carry her through. In the meantime, El Fabuloso's been doing everything he can to cause trouble for Terry Toledo. He's got the size, the strength, and the ability, and he's got fortitude. That's a big thing. In the meantime, we got a game going, and the people here, like you see Frank Mosquito talking it over along with David Valenzuela and Johnny Hall and Carlos Marquez with 1 minute remaining of the clock. They're down by 5, 6, 7, 8 points. And this gal here with number 5 on her back, that's Coley Morrell. She hails from Australia. She's a woman currently living in Ghana, the wife of Ronnie Psycho Ray. And she's not psycho, but she's great. A great gal. 43 seconds remaining. Goes by Terry Drinker. Back again is Drinker trying to get at her. Number 22, Tammy Locke. She gets by another gal, Jazzy Jenny. Juanita Rotilo going a little bit bananas now. Can't she get by the 2 big gals? Straska gets alongside Straska with 3 seconds remaining. 2, 1, and that's up, but she shoots through. She shoots through. She scores. 5 Thunderbird points. Oh, me, oh, my.
Well, you don't score them on your own here. Little Colleen, who had a real tough time until a teammate come along and shoved her through. Teamwork. A young lady there, Colleen Murrell from Sydney, Australia. A very integral part of the skating by the T-Bird girls. And there's Don Lastra, along with Tom Rafferty, referees having their hands full. Everybody says, give them a penalty. And that's exactly what's going to happen. The cheers, well, there they are. Thanks to Juanita Ricardo, Skinny Minnie Miller. They supply the thrills here. Well, the period is over. The men are going to take the track for the last skating period. We're going to go away, but we're coming right back.
Imagine a sports fan's fantasy. A chance to play one-on-one with Magic Johnson in Hawaii. A photo personally autographed to you by Ted Williams. Imagine a helmet signed by the 1986 Super Bowl champion Giants. On the Classic Sports Holiday Gift Show, your sports fantasy will become a reality. So don't abandon your fantasy, live it. Watch the Classic Sports Holiday Gift Show Wednesday at 10:30, only on Classic Sports.
So you've chosen to be your own boss. Running your own business means doing what you love, and doing what you do best. Except one thing you don't love one bit, doing the books. Well, now you can say goodbye to your bookkeeping hassles forever, because the makers of Quicken have invented QuickBooks, the #1 selling accounting software that makes it fast and easy to do the things you don't love doing, like paying bills, writing invoices, figuring out what your customers owe, even tracking inventory and doing payroll. QuickBooks makes it all hassle-free. How's this for fast information? A click, and QuickBooks shows you this quarter's income and expenses. And look, a few keystrokes, and QuickBooks does your invoicing for you, and then does the bookkeeping automatically. So you can get back to doing what you do best, growing your business. It's even easy to try QuickBooks. Call now to get a trial version absolutely free through this special limited-time TV offer.
That number is 1-800-219-6699.
The showdown in Motown. Bernard King was jamming.
King with a sensational rebound.
But Isaiah Thomas found his own groove.
And Thomas does it again.
Celebrate the NBA at 50. Watch the Knicks battle the Pistons in Game 5 of the '84 playoffs Thursday at 9 Eastern. Only on Classic Sports Network.
60-63. The Thunderbirds down by 3 big points right now. Can they get up and past this team? Elmer, this team has been tough here tonight. But this young man, a fine up-and-coming young skater, David Valenzuela, like to put a stop to their ideas of winning this game at this moment. After him is B.C. Corbin. Look out, Bobby Corbin. B.C. down hard by young David Valenzuela. And what a following this young man has he picked up. I tell you, he's already got 8x10 photos of himself. He's getting his own fan club. He's something else, this young man. He's getting very, very popular. He's trained hard, he's worked hard, and he's going to try to live up to what the people have been thinking about this young man as being a good-looking young skater. And I tell you, the girls love him. And look, oh, he missed him. He missed him. He goes by another one. He goes by BC, then by E.G. And he's up. He's slippery. And oh, me, oh my, he gets down hard.
Well, the T-Birds management had faith in that youngster. He's not only a good skater, he's coming along rapidly, but he's also a scrapper. Take a look at his. He takes it on his own. Now, E.G. Miller, a little too much. He's a fighter. That's what the T-Birds want. Get in there, David, and really show what you can do. Hey, look at here. We like that stuff, but he can't fight when 3 or 4 ganging up on you. But David is going to learn the hard way. He can't buy experience, so he's going to learn the hard way. So there he is. The accolades of the crowd say, David, we're on your side.
Well, I tell you, you can write to him just about any time you want, night or day. Just send it here to the Olympic Auditorium. Elmer, why don't you tell him where you get in touch with him?
Well, all you got to do if you want to find out about T-Bird information, write to the T-Birds. Just say T-Birds, box 3330, Hollywood, California. The zip code is 90028. T-Birds, box 3330, Hollywood, California, 90028. Simple to remember.
Well, I tell you, every time I look at that picture of that skunk that Debbie Sutherland sent from Hermosa Beach, that cute little gal, it makes me think of El Fabuloso, like she said, he's a real skunk. And Terry Toledo said he's a skunk. And I know all you fans think he's a skunk. Well, right now, this man here, he's something else. He says, I'm not a skunk. Number 22, and that's Billy Marshall. Well, they got a big match race from Fabuloso. And Terry Toledo Saturday night. You won't want to miss that one. You got to be here to see it. Is she going to be all done, or is she going to be a referee like she wants to be? One of the fine female referees, Billy Marshall, said, I don't care about her. I want to score some points. Got Bigfoot up in front. Bigfoot just shoved John Hall aside. Some fine skating by young Billy Marshall. Billy the Kid at 26 base. Billy the Kid with 7 minutes remaining. Doing a good job up to John Hall. Can Hall stop in this? Oh, yeah. Big shot. He goes right over the side. And scored 5. A big 5 points for Detroit Devils.
Well, Billy Marshall has certainly done what he said he wanted to do. Pattern his skating style after Larry Lewis, and he did it. He did it. He certainly is one of the real great skaters, despite what team he's on. Billy Marshall. But you know, the fans down here say they appreciate skating even regardless of what team you're on. And when I talk about our fan here, our cross-section of fans, I'm talking about the family people and kids, teenagers, and hey, the senior citizens really let everybody know they're around. And the team here, look at that, David. He's in the penalty box for being a little bit too aggressive. But anyway, we don't have all the fun that's on the track. It's happening right where you, the fan, will come on down here, grab a comfortable seat, see some hot action and cool comfort at the Olympic Auditorium.
Well, you know, the fans always bring out chewing gum for these skaters. So David Valenzuela, he's chawing down. He must have some bubble gum. He's still pretty young out there, but the girls love him. Bubble gum or not. 62 to 68. The Thunderbirds down by 6 points in the scoring column. 5 minutes and 43 seconds remaining here in a good, exciting game. So this Detroit team has been tough here all night. And I tell you, Elmer, you know, you got that big wrap-up here at the end of this game, and it should be exciting. And I don't know who you're going to be talking to. Maybe you can fill us in on that in a second. It should be exciting. 62 to 68. A 6-point Devil lead. 5:22 remaining, and this man, B.C. Corbin, moving out of there. And he gets shoved on through by Larry Lewis. Reversal and down. As he loses his balance, but he scores points. He's back up again. This is a hustling team, Elmer. I tell you, you don't want to let it get too far out in front of you because Larry Lewis, he's schooled well, and he knows how to run that team if they score 4 more double points.
Well, they call him the mean machine. Bob Corbin there, of course, letting everybody know how great he was. He scored points, but they're pulling. They're pulling their way by, and it looks like Ronnie Raines says, give me the helmet. Hey, we got...
with me next Saturday night, Terry Toledo has her chance. A match race with you, and she has vowed if she loses, she's going to hang up her skates and her referee uniform, but if she wins, she comes back and she's going to be a referee. Is it going to be a fair race this time?
Listen, Sonny, the last race was fair, and all these bleeding hearts cry foul, foul, foul. Every time one of these favorites of the fans lose something, that is foul, foul, foul. Well, I've got news for you people. I'm going to take that fat tortilla Terry Toledo, and I'm going to take her apart. I'm not even upset about it. I'm not even worried about it. It's going to be a calm, easy destruction job.
Well, thank you, Mr. Nice Guy. We'll be right back after this word.
I'm not being nice anymore.
I'm Max McGee. You're watching Classic Sports Network.
This famous sports figure will be the subject of our bonus biography round on the Sports Challenge.
This is our one-question category on the classics in sports. Here we go with the clues.
Classic. Classic.
When a player knows the answer, he should press his button to sound his buzzer. Would you like to try again? Sorry, time is up. The answer, classic sports.
Catch Sports Challenge Sunday only on Classic Sports Network.
What if you could collect life's greatest moments? If you could just hang on to them and not let any slip away? And what if every time you remembered them, they were just as vivid, just as good? On Classic Sports Network, memories don't pass you by, nor are they carted off and filed away. They're front and center, and even sideways. Classic Sports Network, the only network where once-in-a-lifetime moments happen 24 hours a day.
Classic Sports Network is serving up 3 of the greatest U.S. Open matches of all time, all on the same day. September 8th, 1984, Flushing Meadow, Super Saturday.
Great lob by Ivan Lendl.
Get ready for 8 hours of unbelievable hardcourt action. A back-to-back-to-backhand attack of pumped-up, top-spin, tantrum throwing, down-to-the-wire tennis. It's Super Saturday, today at 3 p.m. on Center Court Classics, only on Classic Sports Network.
Not much time remaining here. 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. 62 to 72. The Thunderbirds got to get something going. Jim McInerney is on the house mic. We got Elmer Anderson up here in the booth, along with Dick Holloway calling for you. There's been plenty of action here tonight. The Thunderbirds, they got to get something. Oh, look out! Bigfoot. He just leaps high in the air. felt him out of there. In the meantime, this Detroit team is tearing up the Thunderbirds. They are showing no mercy out there. No mercy at all. As this little man, Billy Marshall, he comes on through the pass. But they say no score. No score. No helmet. No watching.
Now, 10 great big points, and here comes Danny Riley, and he's out after the big guy. Bigfoot, Danny Riley. He's been on suspension, but he can't resist the itch, the urge to get in there and help his teammates. Well, good luck, Danny. We hope to see you back someday. But he tore his pants. He fell right on the goal line.
Oh, Danny Riley. He did. Did he rip his pants or did he rip his pants? Oh my. When we tell you there's action at the Olympic Auditorium, we're not kidding you. Danny Riley. Oh my. That camera better change its direction. 62 to 72. And I tell you, we got El Fabuloso and this gal, Terry Toledo, right here, Saturday night, here at the Olympic Auditorium at Terry Toledo. Look at the spirit. She's got to have it on her mind. And right now, they're worried about this game. They're down by 10 points at 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Elmer Anderson is wending his way downstairs from this high up in the bird cage here to bring you some more wrap-up action. With 1:55 remaining, Riley leads the track. Terry Toledo thinking about a big match race Saturday night with El Fabuloso, and John Hall in the meantime trying to stop him. There's only 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. They're down by 10 points, and John Hall said, let's score. And let's score big. Let's see what they can do. John Hall, he's getting points now. They're hot. And when you're hot, you're hot. And when you're not, you're not. He calls it off. Why did he call it off? I don't know. They scored 4 points. They're down by 6 points. Hamilton score now, 66 to 72. They want to win another big one. Can they do it here? We'll soon find out. The fans, they love the Thunderbirds. The Thunderbirds love the fans. This Saturday night, remember, El Fabuloso against Terry Toledo. Will she be the winner? Will El Fabuloso be the winner? We'll find out. The Thunderbirds down by 6 points. They need 7 to win it. Let's see what they're going to do. 1:25 remaining. Frankie Messino. Messino trying to score. He's got a quarter of a left to go to get the back of the pack. The Thunderbirds 4 points. They got Larry Lowe tied up. He goes to the inside. He picks up 1 more. Why? He had plenty of time. They needed more points. But the pack was spread out. They picked up 1 more point. 67 to 72. 1 minute, 6 seconds remaining. They better get going. They better be flying. They want to win this game. Remember, Saturday night, Terry Toledo gets her last and final shot. Will she be a female referee like she loves to be, or will she be 0? El-0, Napo, nothing. El Fabuloso says she'll be El-0, Napo, nothing. She says she'll win. She promises she will win. She wants everyone to be here to cheer on. She needs that support. Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium. Be here. 56 seconds remaining. They've got Ronnie Psycho Reigns, the man that can do it for him. He's never let him down before, and can he do it now? 47 seconds remaining. He sends one man. Their jammer into the infield. 42 seconds remaining. 41, 40, 39. The clock ticking away. They need a bunch. They need 5 to tie it. 6 to win. 33 seconds remaining. Here they come. Messino says, I'll help you. 29 seconds remaining. The clock continues to run. He gets to the inside. He gets 1. I think he gets 2. How many more has he got? He's going to get the rest of the pack. 18 seconds remaining. The Psycho. 16 seconds remaining. He's got another one. He's got to get Larry Lowe. Said how many more does he have to get? Larry Lowe, the tough veteran of a Ronnie Psycho Reigns. 8 seconds remaining. Oh, the Psycho. He needs to get this man with 5 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. Can he get it? 3, 2, 1. And I don't know if he got him or not. He got squeezed out on the rail. He needs 5 to tie. He got 4 Thunderbird points. And Detroit Devil team wins this game. The final score, 71 to 72. And remind you once again, as the Thunderbird fans leave not too happy here tonight, they'll be back Saturday night for the big one. We'll be right back for the big wrap-up with Elmer Anderson.
Don't wait around for the coach to give you the green light.
Hustle on over to Classic Sports for the Diamond Collection. Every Tuesday night at 7, watch the greatest games in baseball history, from the regular season to the postseason. Gidry's 18Ks against the Angels, Pete Rose eclipsing Cobb, and Mark the Bird Fidrich's flighty antics. See the Diamond Collection every Tuesday night at 7, only on Classic Sports Network.
Okay, you've seen them, and maybe you've even considered buying one. Well, if you broke a little sweat over the thought of losing your pocketbook over your waistline, here's something you'll definitely want to consider. At less than half the price of the leading competitor, the Ab Ultimizer is a sleek and stylish toning machine, the best value for anyone wanting firm, tight, rock-hard abs. Unlike regular sit-ups, the Ab Ultimizer offers much-needed support for head and neck, while targeting upper, middle, and lower abdominals, so you'll firm and flatten your stomach in weeks, not months. We guarantee it.
I was unable to do sit-ups because of a neck injury. I tried all sorts of expensive equipment in rehab, but nothing compares to the Ab Ultimizer. In just a few weeks, I was amazed at the results.
I've tried everything. Diet, pills, nothing seemed to work. That's why I'm so grateful for the Ab Ultimizer. It gave me the figure I've always wanted.
The Ab Ultimizer has extra thick padding for your arms and neck. And it's made of quality 1-inch steel to outlast these other popular ab machines. We could spend at least 30 minutes telling you all about the benefits of the Ab Ultimizer. Instead, we'll get right to the point. And because we're saving on advertising, we're able to offer you a rock-bottom price on the rock-hard abs you've always wanted. Why spend $100 or even $89 when you can order the Ab Ultimizer for only 2 easy payments of $19.95? The Ab Ultimizer comes with a lifetime warranty. Plus, if you order now, you'll also receive our Ab Ultimizer workout video, a $19.95 value, free with your order. Use the Ab Ultimizer 5 minutes a day for just 10 days. If you haven't lost 2.5 inches and significantly flattened your stomach, return it for a no-questions-asked refund.
The Ab Ultimizer makes a great gift. To order, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-344-4888 or send $39.90 plus $12.95 shipping and handling to Ab Ultimizer, P.O. Box 910, Department 44, Gardnerville, Nevada. Don't wait. Supplies are limited. Call 1-800-344-4888. Happy Thanksgiving from Classic Sports Network.
You know, it's all happening next Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium, the rematch that she's been waiting for, Terry Toledo against El Fabuloso. You made a statement, Terry. Would you actually really hang him up like you said you would do if you lost?
Well, Elmer, I made a statement, and I'm a person that sticks to my guns, and I said one thing, I'm not going to lose, you know? The T-Birds have been good to me. I've skated for them, and I feel they have a strong girls field, but I love refereeing, and that's what I want to do. I want to call it fair, and I'm out here to do my job, and this jerk here is trying to make it hard for me, but I'm glad I got a rematch Saturday night, and he just better be careful, because I'm not going to lose. I'm going to rather die than be humiliated by this thing that they call El Fabuloso. Now tell me, what is that?
No, you're right. We're with you. Here he is. Now, let me ask you a question without storming all over the place. Could you actually win a match race fairly? Do you ever think like that?
That's a very stupid question. Of course I'm going to win it fairly. I've got news for her. Tortilla Toledo, the fat torpedo. You're through, honey. And that's it. I am the strongest thing going out here, and I'm going to stop you, and you better pray. You better. Anytime.
It's all happening right here at the Olympic Auditorium Saturday night. Terry Toledo, El Fabuloso, and take it away, Dick Holloway.
Well, I tell you, another exciting game here at the Olympic Auditorium as the Thunderbirds lose a tough one, 72-71. We'll see you here Saturday night at the Olympic for the big match race. The New York Bombers in town. Until then, bye-bye.